fixed mind. Don't be serious. Meditation is not a very serious event. It's a very. Last time Vandana was saying chill. So welcome to you all once again to this beautiful session. Empty space. Saturday's weekend. Satsang. In the earlier avatar, now we changed the satsang name to empowerment program. The youth were getting confused. Any satsang means for the people, old people. So we call it as, we give catchy titles, mind power. So it's like that. But ultimately it boils down to meditation and spiritual values and things like that. I'm happy, ನನ್ನ ತುಂಬ ಹಳೆಯ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. I mean, I get connected to them so fast, and very hot. One is Abhay. I welcome. Okay, speaker of today on behalf of all of you. Okay. Abhay is a very senior master, and he has been a guide and mentor for the last 20 years for me, and we have worked very closely for 10 years in various forums. And his wife Lalita, welcome her. I welcome her. Another great good friends, old friends, you become connected. Another is Vidya, and so give a big hand to them. Okay. Please raise you. ಅವರು ತುಂಬ ಹತ್ರ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆದರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವರು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟ್ ಎಳ್ಕೊಂಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. He is a magnet. They are just, I think, neighbors. I think very near. He's a great artist. So I saw his photos in all our Facebooks. Okay. Last week we had Vandana doing, again she is here to listen to you, sir. Welcome you. I have no time to talk about Manulal. I think he has come. I don't know. Your group, Vandana, she is Vandana.
Dr. Raghavendra.
Dr. Raghavendra. Anybody new person? Yeah, what's your name? Name, madam? So the thing is, I'm so humbled and I feel nice when I meet old friends like Vidya and Manjunath and Abhay. And so,
power.
Right, 87 or 80, the spiritual work started very early for me. In fact, Abhay also was always shared with TM, like I wrote an article, my journey with my 7 masters. It started with Mahesh Yogi, Krishna Ashram, Osho, Sukubodhananji, and Satya Sai, and the last 10 years with Patriji, the Arabic movement. And with especially the people who are connected, like I want to talk about Sukubodhananji. ನನ್ನ ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಸಂಬಂಧ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂಥರ ತಾಯಿ ಮಗನ ಸಂಬಂಧ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ಮದರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್. ನನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಬಂದು ರಫ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟಫ್ ಗೈಸ್, ಮಧ್ಯ. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಮೈ ಬಿ ನೋಯಿಂಗ್ ವೆರಿ ರಫಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೊ ಐ ರಿಯಲಿ ಡಿಡ್ ನೋ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಹೌ ಟು communicate, how to really go about all the things. And he is the one person, 1987 onwards, been a great influence on me. 10 years is a long period to work with a great master like Swami Sukubodhananda. He has changed my life, and I think they were witnessed how we were connected to him. And I can recently I met him in Bharati Vidyabhavan. He asked, how are you praying? I gave my book, Empty Cup. Oh, you have written? He took it and went. So it's like even not a day goes without remembering him. Okay, I don't know about the people who are with him, but I have really moved on with my own things the last 15-16 years. But not even a day I have not forgotten. Okay, every day I remember him, and I thank him. And he made the person I am today. And of course others like Patriji has given a finishing touch. I should thank all these people. And especially Abhai's and our connection started in Zeal 20 years back. And you can ask me what is Zeal? It's about a communication workshop. It's a communication workshop. And sorry to say that it's a lot of villages they come from. They get into IT, software, they study everything, they get good marks also. But when they go to interview, they don't get selected. You know why? Communication skills. So I think at that time I don't know how we went to that crazily after it was called as Milt and also Zane. Okay. And we were the products of that. And whatever we have learned during those days, I'm sure that is the thing which is going to share on the mind power. I have written 3 books. That is one Kannadadalli Zero to Hero. Zero to Hero was the management. Of course, I did my MBA after my engineering. But I thought a management can be always get along with spirituality. How can I add a spiritual touch to management? So this is purely for the management text I wrote. ಹಳ್ಳಿಯ ಹುಡುಗನಿಗೂ ಗ್ರಾಮದಲ್ಲಿರೋರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಬೇಕು. That is the reason I have written in my own mother tongue. Then I wrote Empty Cup. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ evolved. Timmappa Hegde is the one which I want to remember because he is the one who encouraged me to write on Zen. And I told him that you are the right person to write doctor. I said, yes, you right. Then I gave him the right the copy, to check it. He said, Prem, whatever is there, it will be good. You will just release it. And I went to Master Patriji and said, sir, it is not a perfect book. How can I release a perfect book? Imperfect book. He said, release an imperfect book. I think these are the imperfect book which we released in the Empty Cup. I think you need a guts to do. I'm not a writer. ನಾನೇನು ಲೇಖಕ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಆದ್ರೂ 25 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಈ ಗುರುಗಳ ಸಂಪರ್ಕ ಮತ್ತು ಅವರಿಂದ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದು ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಾದ ಹೋರಾಟ ಸಂಘರ್ಷ that made me to take courage to release it. And today people take me autographs. It really, I pinch myself. Really, am I really living my dream? Am I realizing? It's not just realizing your own dreams, but for that we have done a lot of homework. I think Amay is going to talk. He is one who is really responsible to talk more of mind. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ಸಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ವೆರಿ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಲೈಫ್, ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ವೆರಿ ಲಿಟಲ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಮ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ work very little, get bigger results. It's like a 20 and 80. 80% work, they produce 20% results. Some people, they just 20% effort, they produce 80% results. It's a Pareto principle, we call it, okay? So why it is the problem here, okay? The mind blocks. The mind block that they give it for the easy, my God, it's a very big. I've done psychotherapies. Okay, we have a counseling center called Safe Hands. Because somebody suggested me 10 years back, unless you have a validation, you can't open a counseling center. Then I went and joined Kuvempu University for a master degree in psychotherapy. Only at that time. Now it is a lot of universities are giving. So, friend, mind is something like a markata. It is difficult to understand. Okay, very, very difficult. Okay, and people with least effort, like so.
Charge illa.
When you have the courage, things start working. When Deepak Chopra says, law of least effort. Please listen to this law of least effort. Why some people put least effort and produce maximum result? It's purely mind. Why some people put little effort and produce huge fortunes? It's the mind. So we go to talk on it. ನನ್ನ ಪುಸ್ತಕದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಉಲ್ಲೇಖ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕನಸು ನನಸು ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ರಿಯಲೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್. Your dreams do come true. Your dreams do come true. How to realize your dream? We're going to talk. There's a visual way, there's a creative way, there's a logical way. Okay? We only take the logical way. I have to work like a donkey to produce result. That's all we know. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡಿಸೈಡೆಡ್. ನಾವು ಕತ್ತೆ ಥರ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬರೋದು ನನಗೆ ಅಂತ ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. 1 + 1 = 2. It cannot be more than 2. And I am sure he's going to talk on 1 + 1 is 1000. Okay. Why 1 + 1? Why remove the plus? Make it 11. We call it. Stephen Covey talks of begin with the end in the mind. Okay. So we all have this kalpana shakti. ವಿಕಲ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಕಲ್ಪನೆ, ವಿಚಿತ್ರದ ಕಲ್ಪನೆಗಳಿವೆಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಕಲ್ಪನೆಗಳು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದರೆ, why don't you really give power to your mind? Really, you have the power in the mind. You will really one day become. So the thing is, that's the power of mind. ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಬೆಳೆಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. And also the greatest mind and the meditator we have seen. ನಮ್ಮ ಇವತ್ತು ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ